is my shepherd, I shall not want. In verdant pastures He gives me repose. Beside restful waters He leads me. He refreshes my soul. I shall live in the house of the Lord all the days of my life. He guides me in right paths for His name's sake. Even though I walk in the dark valley, I fear no evil, for You are at my side. With Your rod and Your staff that give me courage, I shall live in the house of the Lord all the days of my life. You spread the table before me in the sight of my foes. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. I shall live in the house of the Lord all the days of my life. Only goodness and kindness follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord for years to come. Shall live in the house of the Lord all the days of my life. I shall live in the house